good morning everybody. I'm glad to be with you all on this wonderful Monday morning. I'm Mohit Jain, co-founder of the English Club. Before I tell you about us, let me narrate a small story to you. One day, a man was walking along the beach when he noticed a boy picking something up and gently throwing it into the ocean. Approaching the boy, he asked, "What are you doing?" The youth replied, "Throwing starfish back into the ocean. The surf is up and the tide is going out. If I don't throw them back, they'll die." "Son," the man said, "don't you realize there are miles and miles of beach and hundreds of starfish? You can't make a difference." After listening politely, the boy bent down, picked up another starfish and threw it back into the turf. Then, smiling at the man, he said, "I made a difference for that one." That is our motto, to change the life of every individual that gets associated with us. We are here as change agents. This all started around 5 years back when we realized our dire need of an institute that can develop the overall skills of a child. This need arose when my elder son Advay, then in class 2, got selected for the Spell Bee competition and finally went to be in the top 3 at the national level after clearing 4 intermediate levels. At that time, there was no one who could guide him as well as us. As is very aptly said by Mr. Paul Mayer, communication, the human connection, is the key to personal and career success. And we all know very well that it's hard to escape the dominance of English today in our globalized world. Over centuries, English has become a bridge language that has grown alongside cross-border trade, diplomacy, and culture. It is commonly observed that students, they struggle with spellings, sentence formation, communication, public speaking, essay writing, story writing, writing answers in their own words, creative thinking, analytical skills, and most importantly, they are low in confidence. The reason behind the same is that the focus on English comes at a very later stage, which leads to less time for corrective action. Because of which, the students have poor understanding of concepts of grammar, they have poor understandings of rules of grammar, their vocabulary is poor, and the application skills of grammar and vocabulary are also not up to the mark. This results in the drop in overall percentage of the child due to less marks scored in English. He scores good marks in his other subjects like math, science, etc. But due to less marks in English, his overall percentage goes down. His communication skills are not up to the mark. And because of all this, he is low in confidence. Then my wife and I started working on this requirement of the children and parent alike. We opened our first center at Lucknow about 4 years ago with a vision to build a strong foundation of written and spoken English to empower the children compete in the global environment. We develop the creative skills, analytical skills, communication skills, and most importantly, the attitude of the child. We develop the reading, writing, and speaking skills of the students to enable them explicate with clarity and confidence. We are one of its kind English learning institute in India. Our aim is to train them being successful in their academics, professional, and personal lives. Till date, we have created a difference in the lives of 400 plus students with more than 650,000 hours of engagement with them. Our content and methodology has been time and again appreciated by the children and their parents. We have modules for each level, which have been developed by the subject matter experts after diligent research. We have a robust methodology developed by experts who have approximately 75 plus years of cumulative professional and teaching experience. Further details would be shared in my upcoming sessions. So stay tuned, watch this space. Till then, Godspeed. Thank you.